Welcome to the 21-day DNA Transformation Protocol. To rewrite your destiny, listen to each part for 7 days. Sit comfortably. Hold your Ancestralite. If you don't have one, focus on the screen. Imagine the stone's energy flowing through your palms into your DNA. Take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and bringing light into every cell. We are going back, deep into the roots of your bloodline. Imagine your ancestors standing behind you. A long line of souls stretching into the mist of time. You carry their stories in your very core. But today, we separate the wisdom from the pain. I command my DNA to open its sacred archive. I clear every strand from all programs of lack. I dissolve the echoes of hunger, the whispers of fear, and the heavy chains of struggle inherited from those who came before me. Their survival was their journey. My abundance is mine. The cycle of hardship ends here. It ends now. It ends with me. I forgive the limitations of my past. I release the burdens I was never meant to carry. I am free from the ghosts of scarcity. My genetic archive is washed clean by the cooling light of the earth. I am free. I am light. I am the breakthrough my lineage has been waiting for. I am ready for infinite abundance. My DNA is now a temple of prosperity. Your first day of cleansing is complete. Repeat for 7 days. SEVERIN. Evolution starts within.